of a length to start.
Wide, and there's not many left, especially in the Pepsi power play, Mark Butcher.
Straight up, it must be. Two fielders underneath it. Oh, one of them takes it.
There's always a lot of noise around the place of these games, but there's clearly not a great deal of listening going on, as I think.
Again, slowness off the pitch. Have to be so precise in terms of getting in alongside to punch it away. That one's going to disappear. The riposte is immediate.
What's this? The third six in the match so far. Two in the first, one in.
Again, gets on the hip, and again the hip flip goes for six.
Good way to start the over. Six off the very first ball.
Oh, that's six as well. That is a mighty strike.
It is just there to be hit, isn't it? It is just there to say, Chahe and son, it's dinner time.
Two sixes in a row. Now there's a four. Ching, ching, ching.
Yeah, Sam will say he was trying to bury it. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear.
There is one. No chance. Oh, he's almost broken his toe, Dominic.
Yeah, I'll change that. He's banged it in very short.
That's then into his third over. Trashed away through the offside. Exquisite.
Has come to life. Chasing the low total, getting a few freebies as well. Some off the hip and then width on offer on the offside.
Well,